You're welcome. So in this video, I want to show you this indicator. So for those who know the demand supply indicator before, or you probably have seen the multi-time frame indicator, or probably you have seen the SMC indicator, you can see all of them are now combined together without sacrificing any part of it together into one indicator, and also now with a summary that tells you the signals and all of that. Now, if you want to get this indicator, you can use independently of each other. You understand the fair value gap is there, the structural changes, the bearish structure changes, and every other thing. It marks it, and you actually get you are good to go to actually use it if you understand SMC. And if you don't understand, it's already simplified for you to see the active year value gap that you have that are not mitigated yet, the volume imbalance that you actually have, where you have the supply, where you have the demand, where you have the equilibrium, which is the demand supply part of it that you are able to actually see. And also the multi-time frame that you see what exactly is the candlestick that are forming on each time frame. That also talks about the structural changes or the market shift. All this information together in just one. So it helps you to maximize profits. Now, independently, each of the indicator costs $50. That means the price of the indicator is supposed to have been $150. However, the indicator is priced at just $80. And not only that, if you are actually part of the first 20 that are getting it, you are going to get it for $50. So all the feature combined, you are paying just $50 for just one full indicator that combines everything together. Everything. Now, not just only that, we also have another indicator that I've also built, and this indicator also independently on its own is very powerful. The price is $50 on its own, and I want to show you something that I don't want you to just assume. Of course, it's straightforward. It tells you exactly what is happening at that time, give you the summary of it, what is the trend that you actually having from multiple time frames, and not just only time frames. We're talking about other block and fair value gap also, and we're talking about different other indicators, the moving average, the MACD, the RSI, the stochastic. Now look at the ADR. I want you to pay attention to it, that is measuring the strength, okay, and also the upside that you actually have in the market. This $0, I'm doing this video on the 6th of August, and I want you to believe that this market is going to buy, but just don't take my word for it. Just watch the market at the end of the day tomorrow and see what actually happens. Why? The ADR already tells you here that if the ADR actually is if the ADR value here is below 30, then it means that there is room for uptrend, so the market have the room to buy. So these indicators are powerful indicators that you can use independently, collectively. Now, if you want to get both indicators together, you are just paying $80 if you are part of the first 20. If you want to get this alone, you're getting it for just $50. If you want to get this alone, you are getting it also for just $50. But both together, you are getting it for $80. And I believe this is powerful. Join my Telegram channel, join my community to also be part of the people that also enjoy my signals. And you can also bring your account for account management. And now we have put a proper structure around our account management where you can monitor what we trade, the setup we are actually using to trade your account. And if we did not actually abide by those rules, that we actually intentionally sabotage your account, you are getting 100% refund within 30 days. But also, not just only that, that's our withdrawal now is weekly. Of course, it comes with every account that you're bringing on board come with just $20 subscription. So that means that you can rely on highest possible outcome at the end of the week. Meaning, if you bring an account of $200 on board, if you see opportunity, the account can grow as high as $1,000 within that 1 week. Remember the concept that I've taught over and over again, the concept of compounding profits. So if we have seen an opportunity before and it's profitable, let's say we make $100, and we are risking, when we made that $100, we risk about $25 or $30, or let's say $50, as the case may be. Then the next trade we want to take, it means we are going to be capitalizing to risk the $100, part of the $100 or the whole of the $100 that we have made, which is not part of your capital, making us to leverage on it, that maybe one trade just give us additional $400, bringing the account from $300 now, shooting up, straight it up to around $700, $800. And before you know it, the account can actually fly up to actually hit the target that we want it to be at the end of the week. Then we share at the close of trading on Saturday. So on Friday rather, we actually do that. So what exactly are you waiting for? Whether to get the indicator, to get the to get, and there is EA also that I've made available, make improvements about. So I'll see you again in my next video. Follow me on Telegram, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on TikTok if you like more of my content. Rolling out many more features and many opportunities for you guys. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.